Do they have Walmart in Ukraine?
No.
Do you want Walmart in Ukraine?
I don't know. It's not very important for me now, James.
It's kind of shitty, yeah. Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at EnforceTac 2026 with my buddy Constantine of Fort. You guys remember Fort last year? We had a video about the submachine gun, the 230 that just went nuts, tons of views. So we've got some new material. You guys have also...
very good stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I know you make very good stuff, Constantine.
Thank you.
Including this new grenade launcher that we're looking at.
It's not new, but in this year...
It's new to us, sorry. Yeah.
Yes, but in this year we are presenting our Fort-600 grenade launcher complete with our new bracket mount. This mount has a marking distance and has a quick release mechanism for installation and remove. I will show you. He has a very robust construction and nice design.
Why do I want this? What does it do for me?
When you need to shoot from grenade launcher, you need to adjust the height of the sight according to your requirements. You need to press the button from two sides and do like this.
And I see it's got meter markings on the side here, like
yes, exactly.
From 0 all the way to 375.
Yes, exactly.
375 meters, I assume.
Yes. Also, the sight can be equipped with a remote external display. So with this display, you can shoot from grenade launcher from a trench or from behind a building or from behind a building window without exposing yourself to danger. So it's very good stuff for our guys, soldier, who on the battlefield.
Yeah, sure. So what you're telling me then is if I've got this optic and I've got this headset, that I can, like, say, put it around a corner and I'll be able to see through the headset. I'll be able to see what this sees.
Exactly. Also, I want to tell about our folding Buttstock. He can adjust according to your requirements, and you can fold it on the right side, like this. Also, in this position with Buttstock, you can easy shot and do like this. This Buttstock has integrated recoil damper that can reduce the recoil during shot. I will show you.
I see, it's like spring-loaded to help reduce recoil.
Yes. Also, Fort-600 is fully ambidextrous, namely we have double-sided magazine, double-sided barrel release lever, and also we have double-sided manual safety. On the bottom, we have front grip. It's very comfortable for use.
Yes, and if I did not have the bracket sight here and I wanted to shoot it accurately, how would I do that?
So it's very easy. You can use the mechanical sights. It's front tritium sights and flip up steel rear sight with marking distance also. All this stuff of our production, and we are manufacturing now on the European production facilities.
I know a little bit about this platform. My understanding is that the metal parts in the exterior are phosphated, correct?
Yes, phosphated. I will explain you. So, inside we have
chrome line.
Chrome inside and rifled barrel, but outside we have the phosphating coating. So, phosphating is an extremely durable coating that we use for our weapons. We started to use this coating to be ensured that our weapons do not rust or spoilage in most adverse conditions, because it is a key for successful attacks of our Ukrainian guys.
I've heard that soldiers in the field also like to use this without the buttstock. They just take the buttstock off to make it lighter and handier.
Yes, exactly.
How long have you been making this grenade launcher?
About 3.5 years.
About 3.5 years, and this is actually in the battlefield now.
Yes, Fort-600 grenade launcher used by our soldiers every day and used by all state structure.
Have you learned any lessons about this grenade launcher in the battlefield? Is there anything that you had to fix, or has it always been good?
Always been good.
Always been, so no, you manufactured it, you put it out, and it's been good?
Yes.
Okay, well, Constantine, Thank you very much for walking us through.
Thank you, James.
I always appreciate it having you on.
I like your videos and I rate your videos.
Hey, I like having you on. You're a super guy. Thank you, Constantine. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from EnforceTac 2026. Take care.